Man, that illumination is so much better than the stock headlights. All right, 4Runner people. Like me, you've probably been sick of your stock 4Runner headlights and their minuscule light output, especially if you live in a place like Washington where it's dark, it's in the forest, it's cloudy, it's rainy, and the winters last forever. So now we have a new option. It's plug and play, and it isn't cheap. All right, here we have one of the Morimoto 4Runner headlight assemblies. Comes really well packaged, 2 assemblies to the crate, and well protected. This thing cannot get damaged in transportation. And so what you get is a left headlight, a right headlight, and the package of instructions and fuse tab. It comes in 2 smaller boxes packed inside 1 large box. So when this is shipped to you, there's only 1 shipment. Okay, on the Morimoto website, go up to the top to lighting. And then over here on the left, go to all other assemblies. And you will see the page that lists the assemblies for each vehicle. And scroll down till you find yours. Here's mine, Toyota 4Runner. And let's click that. And down here, click Installation Guide. We're going to pop off this plastic front panel. And to do that, take a screwdriver, press down lightly on this, lift up, and then it pops out. Watch out, because those things can go flying across your engine bay. I have lost more than one of these. Then repeat for all of the other ones, holding down the plastic front cover here. Once you get the plastic retainer nuts off, you just lift this out. Next, we got the fun part of pulling off the front end. So it's not as bad as it seems. And with a screwdriver, you just pry these clips off, and boom, the inner mudguard comes free. Pretty easy. Nothing up here is moving. This piece is coming off, and that will expose the headlight mounting. All right, let's take a look at one of these clips down here that's holding the plastic to the metal. You can see there's a button, and then there's an outer ring, and then there's something that drops through there. To get these out without breaking them, stick a little screwdriver underneath there and just pull up on the button and wiggle it, and then the whole clip comes out. And so you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is up here. Let's pull that one out. And there's one here. Up in here in the wheel well, you just sort of peel it away. Look at that. My fog lights are still connected, but the bumper itself, the bumper cover, is loose and can be moved and lifted. Okay, looks like success so far. Woohoo! Look at that, I got the front end off my truck. Now we're going to install the DRL tap into the fuse box. Down here, let's pry this open. Okay, my 10 amp heated mirror fuse is right here, so I pull it out and put in the fuse tap. Okay, I'm going to run the wiring out of the box over to the headlights. There are 2 drops, one for the near headlight, one for the far headlight. Okay, the DRL tap is in place. I've routed the wire out of it, and it's going to go up under this valance over to the headlights. and I will use wire ties all along the way here. Here's a tap for one headlight. Here's a tap for the other headlight. I'm going to use wire ties along the way because vibration kills wires. They rub against metal bits, and you want to secure them so that they don't chafe and wear out and short circuit things. You really don't want your headlights going out. I have one headlight installed, and whoa. So here's the truck. On this side I have the stock halogen. On this side I have the Morimoto. So let's take a look at the stock halogen first. Here is the beam from about 10 feet away. And, you know, it's okay. Look at that. Holy crap. Holy crap. And there it is, buttoned up again. I have to say I was really worried about whether I could get it all back together. And it went together far easier than it came apart. So if you're worried about your ability to do this, don't be. It's really easy. And if you follow the video that Headlight Revolution did on this, their steps are impeccable, they're correct, do exactly what they say, and this will be easy. If I can do it in my tight little garage, so can you. So the side marker, which is probably so bright that it's going to blow out the GoPro, side marker has its own light there. The headlight has a beautiful ring around it that runs as a daytime running light or a night light. And then it has 3 separate bulbs inside. 2 are for low beams and 1 is for high beams. Right now we've got the high beams on, so all 3 of them are on. And then if you put it on low beams, you can see that only 2 of them are on. And here's the famous sexy turn signal. I actually really like that. Beautiful. All right, let's go for a drive. Man, that illumination is so much better than the stock headlights. That is crazy. This is a dark night here. There's no street lights. It's in the forest in Washington under cloud cover. So this is about as dark as it gets. Let's try the low beams. Wow, what a nice cutoff for driving. That's pretty amazing. Yeah. So low beams, high beams. Low beams, high beams. Oh my god, this is so much better than the stock headlights. I can't begin to tell you. Let's just take it up the road a little bit here. So the high beams are hitting the road signs, the low beams are going under the road signs for the most part. Very nice. Wow, what a difference. Yes, for me it was worth spending the $1,000 to put these in. So I love the amount of light I'm getting out of here, and I love the beam pattern. If you have the money then, and you're dissatisfied with the little T-candle headlights that Toyota provides, then I would highly recommend these. What a great mod.